some of the lines that I wrote for my friends and my mentor, Mr. Rubin, and for those persons too who I don't like at all. And don't worry, I love you all, but those lines are for other people. So firstly, I'm going to recite the lines that I made for my friend Rakesh and Sameer. And before starting, I must say that please forgive me, my friends, if any line hurts you, because I don't mean to hurt you and I love you. So, here I start. There are two boys in this batch. One is so white and one is so black. And to the black one, we all call Jabbar. And to the white one, we can call football. But without them, there is no joy in all of us. And they both are very important for all of us. My friend Rakesh is so talented, he does not even prepare for his speeches. But even then, he speaks his spontaneous speeches for 5 to 7 minutes. I don't know how he handles all this. Now come to my friend Samira, but I don't know much about him. But all I know about him, he can be very interesting. Every time he says money, it sounds like money. And I think that's the name of a girl who looks so Sony. Every time he says very, it sounds like Barry. And me and Rakesh keep laughing constantly at him. So, my friends, that was the lines for my friends. Now I'm going to recite the lines that I made for my friend Sahil, but he's not there because of some reasons, and for my mentor, Mr. Ruby. So here I'm going to
do this.
start, and I hope you like this. You're gonna like this. So everybody from this batch 6 to 8, put your beautiful hands up and say it's okay. Everybody from this batch 6 to 8, put your beautiful hands up. Look, this rap is for you, Sahil. It takes time, bro, to climb up the hill. I know, bro, you got talent for show. You said you wanted to join the fashion show. Then why don't you go and try that thing out? Because if you gotta go, then you gotta go. It looks like that you are in depression. It's my advice, go out and get some fresh air. It looks like that you are not happy with your life. It's my advice, go and get yourself a wife. Sometimes you find yourself stuck in your speech and just don't know what to speak. At that time, don't let your confidence down. Search for your inner strength and tear the stage out. I know, my friend, you will get what you want. Surely, you will get success, bro. Lately, but definitely. Someone said that you are a confused person, but I think you are not a confused person. You just think more before buying your suit and coat. You don't want to spend your money without thinking more. And don't forget that you are here for some reason. Just work hard and be like Ruben, because he is our mentor. He knows how to maintain our tempo. And he is so motivational. He knows how to make things simpler. He is a real guide for all of us. He knows how to get bigger goals. He makes us understand the difficult stuff so easily. He knows how to set confidence up. He also knows about Alia Bhatt. And I know he'll watch Dear Life today itself. And I know that he ain't watched Shah Rukh Khan, but surely Alia Bhatt. So that was the lines from my friend and my mentor. And lastly, the lines that I wrote for those persons whom I don't like. So I don't need to know you, man, but you only need to know me. You only know what you can do, man, but you don't know what can I do. So it would be better for your health, man, to just know that what can I do. I can make your legs run so fast, I can make your head spin so fast that you're gonna believe that I'm your dad. I can make your confidence so down. I can make your attitude so right that you are going to call me your boss tonight. And it would be good if you just put this thing in your mind tonight. And I know I am the reason of a lot of envy for you. And you can do nothing if I stand up and scream at you. And then you will find a place to save your face when I come inside. And you will be so afraid of me that you will pray to God that I don't come inside, but I'll come inside and take you out and make you realize that who is the real man outside. And one more advice from my side, that you shouldn't throw stones if you live in a glass house. And before talking to me, you should watch your mouth, because I'll break your face. You are going against me, dude. you're making a mistake. Do you know how your face now look too? It looks like you just don't know what to do. It looks like a cyclone hit you too. It looks like nothing is coming in your mind, cause my rap style has almost killed you. And this is called freestyling, and I think I got you out. So just shut your mouth up when I talk, and don't ever try to judge me, cause you don't know what the heck I've been through. Why are you styling at me like this, like I did hit you? It would be better if you just hit the guy that I'll be must cover man and I don't hit you. But when I hit you, then you are gonna cry. Well, I gotta go. This is the end of my freestyle.